we stayed the last time. It was also good food.
Good morning, everybody. We have made it to Budapest. Yes, that is correct, Budapest. I'm friends with Katinka, and she's told me that's correct. I know I got Guangzhou, Guangzhou. I got all that wrong, but I know it's Budapest. I know that the river, I think we're on Pest. The other side is Buda. That's another fun fact. It once used to be Pest, Buda. The river kind of divided the two, and now it's one. But anyway, we are here. We are getting ready to race tomorrow. We're gonna actually just, it's nice that our hotel is just a short walk from the pool. We're gonna walk to the pool, get some warm up, hang out, have a good time, and then get ready to race tomorrow. We were here last year for a World Cup. There's a thermal pool just over this Budapest like World Championship sign, but we stayed in that hotel last year just across the river. Is it Margaret Island? Yeah.
Because the focus is right here, so if you can right here.
You're gonna do a jump?
The more dynamic, the more better is. Yeah. Oh, sounds good, sounds good.
I'm gonna get so much crap.
Few more seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and look. And please keep your eye on the camera for a few seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Thank you. Great.
This is just the warm-up pool. Crazy. I love this pool so much.
Are you gonna warm up? Yeah.
With them? Yeah. How's the water feel?
Very nice.
Awesome. What's up, Maddie?
What's up?
Good to see you.
I did Knoxville to Chicago, Chicago to Frankfurt. And I got stuck in Frankfurt for like 10 hours, but there was a drone.
Long time, man.
Fastest man in the world. Good to see you. Look at this arena. It's crazy. So nice. Okay, take your mark. Shout out to Josh Pino for the cap. For some reason I forgot to bring a cap to the pool. I don't know why. Especially with my hair being so ridiculously long now. It is night one of the Fina Champions Series, getting ready to race. not like China, I'm not swimming 7 events throughout the competition. I'm actually only swimming 2 individuals, and tomorrow I just found out I got the relay. So tonight I have 50 butterfly, and then tomorrow 50 breaststroke. Afterwards I'll speak to you about the race, what may have went right, what may have went wrong, but I'm excited.
So they had a draw for the relays. Your name goes on a ball and they drop it in so it's like a lottery draw. You know, 2 guys and 2 girls in each team. So Michael's in the relay with Katie Miley, Vlad Morozov is the freestyler, and then a Russian girl is the Anastasia Vesikov. We have the strongest relay for sure. We'll tear it up.
I'm ready for a haircut.
Yes!
On our way to do the opening ceremony, get ready for the meet to start. Just gonna switch over the GoPro so it's not as obnoxious as the big camera. Georgia, what do you swim tonight?
50 back, and then I'm in the 4x1 mixed free.
Oh, lucky.
Did you not get?
No, I didn't get a relay selection, but I've got the medley. I've got the medley tomorrow. I think our relay is gonna win tomorrow. It's me, Anastasia Vesikova, Vlad freestyle, and Katie Miley breaststroke.
That's really strong.
So it's gonna be a fun one. Not you. Is your schedule as busy here as it was in China?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's busy.
Oh.
5 events. 1
5
relay
events.
tomorrow.
We're so out of order. I think we just walked through.
Megismételjük a konflikt benetelőki verseny. Santos első fogalmazásával akkor a sorrend második most kivégezni első helyen. A medencében Ben Proud a világbajnok és a második Santos, illetve a harmadik Boborok. Pontosan ők álltak a dobogók 2017-ben ugyanebben a medencében, ugyanebben az arénában, a budapesti világbajnokságon. Úgy tűnik, Nicolas Santos verhetetlen, Boborok pedig csak a második helyre tud bejönni 22-60-as idővel.
Is the next day. I'm actually about to take a nap and get ready for my 50 breast and 100 fly in the medley relay tonight. But I just wanted to quickly update you on what happened last night. 50 fly, swam faster than I did in China, 23:19. You guys saw from the race footage, Nick Santos, the 39-year-old, crazy. He swam a 22.6. Andre Gavra was 22.8. I was 23.19, and then Ben Proud 23.6. Ben won the 50 free earlier that night. Really great swims for everyone, but I don't know. I felt awesome in the water. I felt strong. I felt fast. I went no breath. Everything felt smooth. I spoke with Nick a bit afterwards about the stroke and just how different the 50 is to the 100. And I feel like I'm almost swimming my 50 fly the same stroke I do as my 100, but sped up, where the turnovers just increased. And I think I'm missing a lot of that initial catch, or at least the power phase. I think I'm going into the catch too soon and maybe creating too much lift or something. But I'm excited to work on the fly, work on the 50 fly sprint for Worlds later this year in Gwangju, Korea. But for now, happy with the swim, happy to be faster than China, but I know there's a lot more. Well, we fly home tomorrow, which is kind of sad, but also exciting because that means I'm closer to getting to surf again. Hopefully after the meet we can go do a little sightseeing or something, and I'll take you guys along with me. But see you at the pool. Breaststroke individually and 100 fly in the relay. So it should be good. We'll see. Body feels nice. Oh my gosh, we just finished racing like 10 minutes ago, got out of the relay, won the relay, awesome night. We're on this boat with Dana. The cruise was supposed to leave 5 minutes ago, luckily they held it, just sprinted on, made it in time. So now we're gonna do a tour on the Danube River and enjoy the sights of Budapest. I'm exhausted. It is 1:40 a.m. here in Budapest. I fly home tomorrow 11 via Frankfurt, Toronto, and then to Indy. So not home, but back to the US to race next weekend in the Indy Pro Series. Whew. But yeah, tonight was fun. 50 breaststroke. I swam a little faster than China again, but not quite what I wanted. So it's just one of those things, you gotta race, learn. I had the relay shortly after, went 51.8 in my 100 fly split, so I was happy with that, especially for trailing very far in the relay. I had to swim through a lot of waves to kind of get to the finish, so I was happy. Lots of good swimming. Now just to recover and get ready to race get ready to race in the Pro Series. I'm gonna pack up quickly, get to bed, and then get ready for my shuttle in the morning and fly to Indy. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. See you next time. Cheers.